Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix cannot access to Apple ID because it's turned to gray error. So guys, this is a very common issue in iOS 17 update that many iPhone users are complaining about, that they cannot access to the Apple ID because it's turned gray. So guys, you can see I am also facing this issue. Whenever I try to tap on my uh, whenever I try to tap on my RFID tag or my Apple ID, I cannot access to it. So guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply open your settings and restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve this type of issues. So you have to go to your general, tap on shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for iOS update and ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17, because Apple often release updates that fix bug fixes and improvement. So you have to open your software update to check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is make sure that the date and time on your iPhone is set up correctly. You have to open your journal, tap on your date and time, and you have to make sure that it is set automatically. If it's disabled, then you have to make sure that it's enabled. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is open your screen time, go to content and privacy restriction. Now, if you have enabled the content and privacy restriction option, you have to simply disable it. Now, when we go back and see if it still doesn't work, then you have to do is simply close your settings. Now again open it and done. You can see now I can simply access to my Apple ID. So the simple method. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.